Hi, I'm Angel, I'm 18, and I'm an artist.
As long as I can remember, I've always loved drawing, doodling, and creating whenever I could.
Funny story actually, I used to get in trouble all the time for drawing dragons and other stuff on my test papers. In elementary school, a really good art teacher, Mr. Barry, he encouraged me to pursue art as both my passion and as a potential career. My career goal is to be a concept artist one day. A concept artist visualizes ideas for a production event and creates a rough visual draft for the team. So, I decided to teach myself digital art, and I've been using digital art software for the past 5 years or so.
Drawing is my passion. Creating art is a meditative process for me. It's calming and peaceful, yet it's a way for me to be creative and follow my passion. I enjoy designing my characters and the worlds in which they exist. Character design is an enjoyable journey. It's fun exploring different ways to express interesting colors, the depth of shadows, and light in my artwork. Digital art gives me the tools to do that. I started using Procreate when I was younger and used it for about 2 years. We had an iPad in the house and I just began drawing on it. Once I started drawing, I was hooked. It is great for beginners or those without any prior experience using digital software. Procreate is affordable, accessible, easy to learn, and simple to customize. It is great for those who prefer using a tablet, and you can use it with just a stylus or touchscreen. Just draw an image with your finger.
With Procreate, since it's on a tablet, you should always remember to back up your art files, just in case they get corrupted or something happens to the actual tablet. Learned that one the hard way. But for me, it is a really good introductory software to digital art as a concept, and it taught me the fundamentals of digital art as well.
Once I got more experienced, I decided to expand my abilities in digital art. I saved up some money and purchased an excellent computer. Then I installed Clip Studio software. I have been designing my art using Clip Studio for the past 3 years. You only need to purchase the software once, and from there, you can use it on various devices. I can use layers, add dimension and lighting, color editing features, all to help fine-tune a piece. I have over 400 full illustrations that I've completed using Clip Studio. The brush selection is more complex than Procreate and great for professional use. These are some of my favorite brushes to use. Clip Studio allows for more complex color correction and adjustment, which is helpful because it allows me to create visually exciting pieces. Not only that, but it also lets me use as many layers as I need, so I can create to my fullest. The main difference between Clip Studio and Procreate is how you draw. With Procreate, you can see what you are creating at the tip of the stylus or your finger. But with Clip Studio, it's a little different. It takes some adjusting to. You draw on a digital pad while looking at the screen.
I would consider it a step up from Procreate because of its cost difference and general learning curve. It's an excellent choice for artists who are more committed and want to grow and develop their skill set.
While I personally prefer Clip Studio, Photoshop is the most used by industry career professionals and is great if you are building a career portfolio. I just recently started trying it out for myself. Users must pay a recurring subscription to use the software and access the files, which can become expensive for those who are just getting into art or creating as a hobby. Photoshop has great animation software and the best image editing capabilities. However, the biggest caveat for Photoshop is its steeper learning curve due to the complicated layout and dense menu trees. That was the bad news. The good news is that the software has incredibly useful built-in tutorials that can just guide you through the learning curve. Digital art can take traditional art to a whole nother level.
There are tons of digital art programs available, some free, some not so free, but those are my top picks. Research what's best for you and what's best for your commitment level. Have fun creating.